How to change the press and hold of your power button, and this is for the Samsung Galaxy A55 smartphone, whether it's to wake the Bixby or the power off menu. To change these settings, you can use the quick panel access, tap on a settings icon right here, and from here now, you can use the search bar here to type in the word side button. So just go ahead and do that. You can see as you start to type it in, you'll see the suggestion here and you'll tap on it. Once you do that, that'll take you exactly to where you need to go. So from here, you'll see the press and hold option here. This basically, when you long press your button, you'll be taken to Bixby, all right? So if you haven't set it up yet, it'll take you to that there. Now, if you don't want that, you want that when you long press the power button of your Samsung A55, you can switch here. And now when I do this, you will have this power off menu here. Okay, so if you've been looking for this here, you want to be able to have your phone enter to this here to restart, whatever it is, that would be the settings to choose. Now, if you're in this view mode here, you can also tap here to take you back to these settings once again. And let's just say you want to stick with Bixby. You're one of those that use Bixby here. You can also turn off your phone by swiping down like this here twice, and you'll see this power off icon here. And when you tap on that, that'll take you to this here, okay? So again, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.